Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Before you pay for Suno AI, just wait. Let me show you how to apply a coupon code so you can save money instantly at checkout. So first, select a promo code that you want. So I went to WeThrift and copy this code. Now go ahead to Suno website, log into your account, scroll down and select upgrade. Now here you have to choose your subscription plan like free plan, pro or premium. So for this video I'm going to subscribe for pro. Now this is the checkout page. All I have to do is just type or paste the copy code and then click apply. And once you enter the valid promo code in the box, just you will see that your total price will instantly update with the discount applied. And now you have to do is enter your cardholder name, billing address, or you can use banking as well. And once everything is done, just click subscribe, and that's it. You have just saved money using a Suno AI coupon code at checkout. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.